In today's video, I'm going to show you Technitium versus Pi-hole, the DNS showdown nobody's talking about in 2026. At first glance, Technitium DNS server and Pi-hole both let you block ads and trackers at the DNS level network-wide, but under the hood, they're built for very different roles. Pi-hole was originally created as an easy-to-run DNS sinkhole that blocks known ad and tracking domains for everything on your LAN with minimal setup. Just install it on a Raspberry Pi or Linux box and start shielding devices from ads, trackers, and unwanted telemetry without much fuss. It's famous for its simplicity, low-power hardware friendliness, and strong community support, making it a go-to choice for many home networks over the years. Technitium, by contrast, is a full-blown DNS server first, with recursive resolver, authoritative DNS hosting, encryption, advanced caching, and even clustering and DHCP support built in, plus optional block lists for ad or malware filtering. That means you're essentially replacing almost every piece of your DNS infrastructure with one tool rather than just adding a blocker on top of existing DNS forwarding. This broader set of capabilities includes built-in HTTPS panels, zone management, detailed query logging, and native clustering for high availability, features Pi-hole doesn't natively offer without third-party projects. In real-world use, most people find Pi-hole easier to set up and lighter on small hardware, with a straightforward dashboard that makes network stats and ad blocking immediately visible. Technitium's interface and capabilities are richer, but that also means more complexity and learning curve and sometimes tighter hardware requirements if you're running large block lists or multiple features at once. Some home lab posts still show Pi-hole winning for easy DHCP integration and broad device support out of the box. So the honest DNS showdown of 2026 is this. If all you want is robust, network-wide ad or tracker blocking with minimal setup, Pi-hole still wins for most home users. But if you want the full power of a self-hosted DNS server, encrypted DNS, authoritative zones, advanced caching, multi-node clustering, and fine-grained control, Technitium becomes the better long-term choice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.